Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. This is the 2023 version of the GMC Denali. And it doesn't have to be the Denali trim level, but if you have a front camera on your truck, on your GMC Sierra, whether it's a 1500, a 2500, or 3500, and you've noticed this little notch sticking out right here. In our case, on the screen on the right-hand side of the camera, from the driver's point of view, it would be on the left-hand side. What is that? That's the front camera washer. And you might wonder, how do you use that? Some of you might not have even known it was on your vehicle. But believe it or not, every time you have run your windshield washer fluid, by simply pushing this button, this has happened. So here's the thing, you don't have to have the camera up on the screen for that to work. All you have to do is push that button. So anytime you've run your windshield washer fluid to clean the windshield off, well, the front camera washer automatically runs. So tell me down in the comments section, did you know that that feature was on your truck?